Some advantages of email. 1.
Email is extremely fast.
You can receive a message in a matter of seconds after it has been sent, irrespective of the geographic location of the sender and recipient. You cannot find a better medium than the email. 2. When you send an email message, the person you send it to does not have to be on the computer at the time to receive it. Mail can be collected whenever the person chooses to connect to his computer network or mail server. 3. You can send a message to a group of people at a low cost, quickly and easily as you can imagine to. 4. You can send documents, graphics, sound files, or any file as an attachment along with your email. 5. There is no charge for sending and receiving email. The only charge you need to pay is to your service provider for the internet connection. There is no extra payment even if a long message is sent or the message has to travel to the remotest corner of the world. This is the cheapest method for sending messages and take very less time. This is the main reason that each year the number of users are increasing. Start Internet Explorer once again and enter the web address www.gmail.com in the address box. Click on Go button or press Enter key to open Gmail login page. Click in the username box and type your login ID. Make sure that the letters are typed in the same case as they were typed while creating the account. Enter the password in the password text box, which appears in the form of black dots. Click Sign In button to open your mailbox. It shows you the list of all your incoming mails. You can now click any one of them to open and read the contents of that mail. You can click Back to Inbox link for coming back to your mailbox. To send the mail, click the link Compose Mail to open Compose Mail web page. In the To box, write the email address of your friend to whom you want to send the mail. Write the subject and then type the message in the space provided. Click on Send button. Your mail will be sent to the recipient. Close your mailbox by clicking the Sign Out link at the top. Start Internet Explorer and enter the web address www.gmail.com in the address bar. Gmail logon page appears on the screen. Click on the link Sign up for Gmail in the logon page to open Gmail registration form. Firstly, enter your first name and the last name in the form, and after that enter the desired login name. Click on Check Availability button to see whether the login name selected by you is available or not. Once your login name is selected, now enter a password of minimum 8 characters. Repeat the same password in the box called Re-enter Password.
Click on drop-down box. Click on What was the name of your first teacher? Click on Text box. click on Text box. Click on Type the characters you see or numbers you hear.
Fill the rest of the entries in the form as they are asked and finally click the button I accept button, which is at the bottom of this page. If all the entries are correctly added by you, you will get a confirmation for your new account, and now your new email address is loginname@gmail.com. Parts of an email message. You have to deal with several parts of messages like from, to, CC, BCC, and subject when you are in the process of writing an email message. From, a person who is sending the email message, his or her email address is written in this section. To, a person who is to receive the email message, his or her email address is written in this section. CC. CC stands for carbon copy. It is an exact copy of the message. A person who is not directly involved, but you would like the message to be transferred to him, his email address is written in this section. BCC. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. If you want to send the same message to several people without making them to know that others have also received the same message, you can take the help of BCC. Subject. A very short content of your message is written in this section. For example, if you are sending a resume in your email, you can write resume in the subject section. How does an email travel? The computers have to be linked together so that the email message can travel. 1. An email message is typed by the sender on his computer. 2. The message has an address so that it can be sent directly to the right address. 3. The message is sent to a server which is connected to the internet. 4. The email is then sent to a router by the server. The router sends the message to another router. Routers are connected to each other by telephone lines and cables. 5. The message is sent from one router to another until it reaches to the correct one. 6. The email is finally passed by the router to the server. When the recipient's computer is connected to the server, the message can be displayed. 7. The server reads the address and passes the email to the correct computer. Sometimes routers are too busy or not working. How do computers exchange information? You need to have a set of rules like protocol which determines how the information is to be sent. Internet Protocol (IP) is the most important protocol used on the net. It specifies that the information sent between computers, servers, and routers must be broken down into packets of data. Packets are the small chunks which are broken by the net while sending the email message from one computer to another. Each packet contains the address of the destination computer. The messages are put back together to form the email message. When this message reaches the designated computer, electronic mail, that is, email. You can create, send, receive, and manage an email message by using different programs like Microsoft Outlook, Hotmail, Gmail, etc. The message can be simple text or can include an attachment such as a word processing document, a graphical image, or an audio or video clip. Electronic mail, email. Email is the most popular feature of the Internet. For using email, you need a computer, Internet connection, email program, and an email address. Email service is very fast. Simple postal mail could take a day or 2 days or more for the post to arrive, whereas the email could be delivered in a matter of seconds or a few minutes.